high-tech mobile publicity vehicle named Karmika Mitra was also launched. Full-length 90-minute film Shramika Bandham was released. All these proved to be successful in promoting the philosophy of Singareni. These are just a few of the many measures that were taken by the senior executives of Singareni that contributed to the turnaround of the company. And I'm very thankful for this opportunity to discuss all this today with you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will not take much time. I just want to talk about boiled frog syndrome, supporting to sir what sir said, that change or perish. Boiled frog syndrome, what it says, that if you put a frog in a pot of water which is full of hot water, it will quickly jump out of the pot. But if you put a frog in a pot which is full of cold water and gradually you increase the temperature of that pot, the frog is unable to understand the change. It is unable to perceive the danger what is coming. So what happens? It is cooked to death. So what is the meaning of this boiled frog syndrome is, if you are not able to understand the change, if you are not able to perceive the change what is coming, maybe you will perish. And if you are willing to change, you will sustain, you will survive. Thank you.
Thank you, all students, those who made an effort to come down and speak. We have Jaymar sir, he wants to speak. Yes.
That not even a single class of my HR goes without sharing with them about the turnaround stories of what I call Singareni. I always tell them how the top management, what I call used to go to the workers' colonies, the kind of situation which was prevailing when you were there, at the drop of the hat, Sikasa used to go on strike and all that. In fact, you'll be very glad, very happy to know that we distilled a mantra from your experience of what I call Singareni colonies. Of course, I'm yet to register that mantra on my name, but I always share that mantra with my student. That is nothing but involve, inform, inspire, and they perspire. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Sai Kumar, the Dean IP, to just sum up the session, please?
That's one thing in common which makes me to stand here and speak for words. Bhashana chena sambhashana chena. అంత పెద్ద ఆయన మాట్లాడిన నేను మాట్లాడితే అందుకే అంటారు మాటే మంత్రం అని ఆయన మంత్రాలు కూడా ఇచ్చాడు నేను మంత్రమే చెప్తాను. My dear friends, I had an occasion to go through that book. I was really inspired more of the experience which you spoke. That's beautiful. Unlike textbooks where you talk about principles in the saying, but here it talks more in practice. My dear friends, learn to change and change to learn and do them fast. Otherwise you are in trouble. That's what I think frog syndrome, she talked about it. Where is that girl? She's sitting in the last row. Because she changed the seat, that's why I'm looking at it. Desire changes nothing. I know you all have a lot of desire. Sorry, that will not happen. Decision changes something. You take a decision to change. Yes, something will happen. But determination changes everything. You need to be determined to change. Yes, it will happen. You need to focus on it. Talked about turnaround strategy. I always quote what I learned from my early childhood. Marpu, Orpu, Nerpu, Cherpu, Kurpu, Tirpu, Malpu, Gelupu is all that what the turnaround strategy which talks about it. Change is the rule of nature. I borrow my friend Jagan Mohan Reddy. He talks about R. I said, why are you so much fascinated by red? I know the girls are wearing red dress, so you're fascinated. Or he talks about not only read, you need to recite, remember, relate, reflect, and radiate is what you need. Fine, most of you read this book. Are you able to relate to yourself? Are you able to reflect on it and are you able to radiate? Just don't read, you need to reflect on it. That's what is the purpose of organizing this session. Am I right, Shulagna? So, my dear young friends, gaze the change and engage it and manage the change, otherwise you're in trouble. Change follows the following pattern. One of you mentioned the same thing, I'm talking about it. Perceive the need for change. Sir, I must thank you from the bottom of my heart. You supported me, knowingly or unknowingly. Now all my students will not ask, nor my colleagues. I raise only questions. Every day I throw them at 10 questions and I say I'm not here to give the answers. My job is only to make you think beyond. The reason I quote is, you are not LKG kids where I had to do hand holding, I had to do spoon feeding. You are PG students, I'm not here to give the answers. And that's the stand I take it, I never gave answers. I know they're all angry at me, so they're waiting for the opportunity to kill me. Anyway, you supported me, now you saved me. So perceive it, conceive it, sell it, own it, commit it, complete it is what you need to focus it. Another point I caught from him, you are motivated. Either you got demotivated or remotivated, you need to focus on it. You have to think about it. One thing which I gone through, I found in your book is purpose and values. Why do I exist? That's what you talked about. What am I doing? Why am I doing? Where am I doing? When am I doing? How am I doing is what you need to question yourself. That's where in lighter when I say 5 wives and only 1 husband. Values we talked about. What do I stand for? Each one of us need to stand for certain values. And people say, yes, here is the person who can talk about it. The other issue, I think one of you mentioned from 1 lakh employees, it's come down and so on. Is it downsizing or right sizing? You're all HR, you understand better. Think about it. It's not downsizing he has done it. He has done the right sizing is what he talked about it. Sir, I am associated with Singareni College right from the late 70s. Then you used to outsource your payroll package and I was managing that payroll package. I was working in a company called Radix Cybernetics and we did your entire payroll and then we recommended, now it's time, Singareni must have its own computer department. That was called EDP department. Then my good friend Rajan Babu was heading. It was under the industrial engineering department, not separate department. We used to focus on that, no, it has to be separate. Ranganayakulu was heading that department those days. So right from those days I'm associated. Then we said, no, it has to have its own EDP department. That's how the independent department has come up. My dear young friends, you all are strong, there is no doubt about it. Balam kaadu, sankalpa balam kavali. That's what you need to focus on it. Frog in a boiled water, which talked about it. Another 2 things which I read in your book. You talked about why and how. In the late 90s, Andhra University constituted a committee to look into their computer science curriculum. I was one of the members on the committee. And my colleagues in the computer field, they came out a lot of subjects to be included in the BTech curriculum and so on. There I have used this technique of why. And to bring it down the number of subjects per semester. And finally I said how is what the kind of content we need to incorporate. This technique we use then. The progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything at all. You have to change from time to time. The environment is changing, technology is changing, you have to change. So hence, my dear young friends, read the change and lead the change, ride over the change, otherwise change will ride over you. Be careful about it. Sir, somewhere you mentioned about SWOT analysis, which hopefully my young friends are doing it. They think they are doing it, unfortunately they are not doing it. That's my belief. You talk about internal and external, you talk about it. I only want to say one thing. Strengthen the strengths, whatever you have, whatever little you have. Weaken the weaknesses is what you need to do it. If the speed of change is higher and you are unwilling to change, it will hurt you. Please remember. Change was evolutionary in nature when we were kids. 10 साल लगता था नया मॉडल कार लाने के लिए या 20 साल लगता था 25 साल लगता था but today look at the way the automobile industry is coming up. Change is revolutionary in nature today. If you are willing to keep pace with the changes what's happening, you will succeed it, is what's going to happen. I think beautifully brought out by Ghalib Sahib ki quote, wo face ke upar dekhna chahne the. Changing the face can change nothing. My young girls do a lot of makeup and so on, and they never come out from the mirror. But the reality is facing the change can change everything. Let's accept the change. My dear young friends, transform from insignificant 0 to significant 0 is what you need to do. 0 on which side you're putting is important. That's what you need to focus. Imagination, impact you need to create it. That's where you need to focus. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. I'll quote a very simple example. If I quote examples from film industry, you'll grasp fast. I don't know, entamandi Annamaya cinema chusara, Nagarjuna movie. He was all enjoying, the way the Lord came and just hit him and turned, and that's over. The whole thing is changed. So that's what I would like to say. The another thing which I'd like to talk about is, I don't know whether how many of you read, how many of you read the newspaper or seen the TV channel, news channels. Last 2 days they've been talking about Make-A-Wish Foundation. Young boy Sadiq, who was affected by the blood cancer, he wanted to be police officer. They bought him. And I'm sure there's a possibility he may recover from that. There's another girl somewhere in Khammam who is almost in the deathbed, went into coma. She just wanted to see Pawan Kalyan. We don't know if Pawan Kalyan goes there, and he promised that he will go there and meet that girl. Today he's supposed to be there. She may start responding to treatment. See, this is what the change can think about it. Turn scars into stars is what you need to focus it. I don't know how many of you know about the history of Singareni College itself. In the late 70s, I was curious to find out the history. How this has come up, how did the people discover? Please go to the history, beautiful history it is. How people discovered the coal existence there itself. The group of travelers, when they were traveling, they discovered. And then went into the government, and then went into the geologists came and discovered, and all that happened. So look at how small thing made a big company called Singareni College to come up. Just a group of travelers discovered something is what happened. My dear young friends, parivartan hi jeevan hai. So you have to change from time to time. I would say, Markula kosam chadavakandi, Marpu kosam chadavandi. How long you run after marks here? Marks is not really going to help you. You have to bring in the change in you is what you need to look at. The reason why I say that is, world has changed from wire to wireless technology. Today you all carry your mobiles. Track to trackless, visible to invisible. Mammoth technologies, we had mainframes to today nanotechnology. The entire computer is here, you need to work on it. More and more has to be done with less and less resources you need to achieve it today. That's the need where you need to focus it. I quote, it is not the strongest of the species, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that's the most adaptable to change is what's going to survive. So my dear young friends, you need to adapt to change. A lot of changes are happening in the environment. You need to change. ఈ రోజుల్లో మార్పు ఎలా ఉందంటే చెప్పాలంటే జాబ్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కాదు, జేబ్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కావాలి ఫస్ట్. My young boys and girls, look at it. Sir, what is the pay package the company is offering? They are not looking at JD, JS, they don't want to talk about it. Sir, what is the pay package? Is it 10 lakhs? Yes, I am ready. They don't want to see JD. That may be a post of putting a security guard in the main gate. They don't look at that first. They say, no, first is, so job satisfaction, job satisfaction. హార్దిక సంబంధాలను వదిలేసి ఆర్థిక సంబంధాలు వైపు పెడుతున్నాం. దట్స్ వేర్ వి లాస్ట్ టచ్. ఈవెన్ హస్బెండ్ అండ్ వైఫ్ దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టైమ్ టు టాక్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ డైవోర్స్ రేట్ ఇస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్, అన్ఫార్చునేట్. పచ్చదనాన్ని వదిలేసి పచ్చనోటు వెనక వాళ్ళు పరిగెడుతున్నాం. దట్ గ్రీనరీ వి లెఫ్ట్, వి కేమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద విలేజెస్ అండ్ రన్నింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. లాస్ట్లీ, change the changeable, accept the unchangeable, and remove yourself from the unacceptable. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. I would say, my dear young boys and girls, you are the hope. You are the future. And I still have a lot of faith in all of you. The country is looking at you, not at me anymore, because I'm 60 plus category. Country doesn't want me anymore. Maybe an advice role, sometimes once in a while they may invite me. But country is looking at you. My dear young boys and girls, gear up and take charge of this nation. If you leave that gap between me and you, who will rule this country? Quite often I know, you go and sit at the back and leaving the front row vacant. We have to force you to bring here. Because I'm quitting now, you take charge of this. Is what I'd like to say. I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart on behalf of all my colleagues and all my young students, to yourself for sparing your valuable time and sharing your rich knowledge. And it's a pleasure meeting an author. We just read the books. We don't even know who the author is. And we are really lucky. Thanks to Professor Mishra for bringing an author to all of us. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing this.
formal vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to one and all. It's a privilege indeed to propose the formal vote of thanks at this momentous occasion. I am greatly indebted to Shri Khwaja Sahab for acceding to our request of coming and carrying forward a book reading session of their masterpiece. Let me put it as a masterpiece, The Acrobatic of Change, Concepts, Technique, Strategies and Execution. I have read both the edition 1 and edition 2. Let me truly confess, it's a classic in true sense. Right from the title of the book, which is The Acrobatics of Change, which is a wonderful classic expression of change in terms of anxiety and excitement. No other word to match to it. Awesome, wonderful title. The style of lighting, which is so lucid, storytelling, full of parables, and people generally talk about change or perish. This is one book I must say we have all learned. Why do organizations change and yet perish? Because they don't understand the importance of the soft act of change. And this book in itself is a classic exemplary depiction of why organizations change and still perish. Thank you so much, sir. The turnaround, the Singareni love story is indeed a classic example to it. Thank you for making our students understand the relevance of book reading. The takeaway for my session is the importance of understanding oneself, accepting the realities of life and having a meaning in life, because if you have a meaning in life, you will change and have a sustainable future. I am indeed thankful, and one word, sir, in the last interaction you said, and that's what my takeaway for the last interaction. You said, जहाँ है तो जान है. आज आपने उसमें ऐड कर दिया है वो 14 मंत्रा, उस 14 मंत्र के साथ जहाँ है तो जान है. Thank you so much. I thank my director, the dean. It's because of them that we have stalwarts like sir to make the learning forward. Thank you all students. You were indeed great, keenly interested, read the book, well prepared. And thank you to all my faculty and staff. Thank you one and all.
See, let me just say, when I heard our distinguished faculty colleagues and the example you gave of that boy 2 days ago who went as Commissioner Police, Hyderabad, Sadiq, on page 239 the story of Tulsi is there. By the way, Tulsi is still alive. I mean, I keep inquiring about her every few months. The last time I inquired about her was about 6 weeks ago. And her case is exactly what may happen, hopefully, in the case of Sadiq and the other lady you were mentioning. And the other thing is about change. Again, we can end with Gandhi ji. And that is something which Professor Saab said. And this is a very oft quoted, be the change you want to see. So the change starts with oneself. Be the change you want to see.